Morro Bay is a coastal city known for Morro Rock, an ancient volcanic mount formed 23 million years ago. They say it's the perfect pit stop for your journey along California. Let's find out if Morro Bay is worth a visit. And off we go! I'm excited for the game plan today. The game plan today, which I've already started, is number 1, do a water activity.
We've got otters and sea lions right in that same location.
Of course, we're gonna visit the Morro Rock later and reward ourselves with super delicious seafood. I'm so excited about that. I'm here at Rock Kayak right now. It's 9:30 in the morning. They just opened and I think I'm the first customer.
Now the trick is in the bay is to get along the opposite shore, along the sandspit shore. Reason being, you'll be in the slower, easier water. The left-hand side of the rock, that's our channel that leads out to the open ocean. So we don't want you wandering out there, of course, right? Have a seat right here, love. It's nice and dry right there.
This is amazing. If you have time, go try it out. Oh boy, I didn't know it's alive. Hi! That you can do here in Morro Bay, such as the subsea tour. I want to try that in the future. You can go surfing here. There are 3 aquatic districts here that you can enjoy. One is the beach, of course, and there's the bay, and there's the harbor. Now, let's support local and get some local coffee. Let's go.
Oh, look at on camera. What's up? Welcome to Daisy's.
Oh, I want this. Cinnamon. I'm double fisting now with my coffee. This is hot, this is cold. Perfect blend, I think. We're gonna walk now to the Morro Rock. It's a 20-minute walk. Wow. Some very exciting history right now. We're standing at the first ever recorded arrival of the Filipinos. This was in October 1857 by ways of the Spanish galleon. October becomes the Filipino-American History Month.
But where are you?
Having a great day? Yes. Wow, the water is so clear.
I've been calling and texting all afternoon.
That thing is massive. My nemesis is the public loo, so I'm really scared right now, but if you have to go, you have to go. I drank a lot of coffee. I'll tell you if it's yay or nay. It's actually not that bad, but smells a little bit. I know it's not so easy to have a public restroom, so thank you City of Morro Bay for having one. Oh, another one. Oh my god. Okay, you are brave. Why are you attacking me? So cute. Wow, you're just gonna be there, huh? Asking for food. I don't have one. I was thinking, where's the dad? And I realized the name of this sculpture is Those Who Wait, the Families of All Mariners. So here's Morro Bay State Park. You could do a lot of things. Oh my god, I gotta go again. This is so cool. Let's get one. Put it on top of this one. We are now at the foot of the Morro Rock. For locals, they call this not Morro Rock, but just the rock. The Portuguese explorer Juan Rodriguez named this rock El Morro. It means crown-shaped hill. This rock was actually formed 23 million years ago from a long extinct volcano. This is a California historical landmark. Having fun? Oh, yummy! We're leaving the Morro Rock now to go eat some delicious seafood.
Thank you. You too.
How do we order?
Oh, food?
Yeah.
You can order food here.
Is there a sit down?
Yes, there's a sit down over there if
Okay.
you wait in the line over there, and then there's also an express side on the other side of the building.
Okay.
But if you didn't want to wait, then you can order food.
And we have a total of 1743.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Great. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. What can I do for you?
Just one crack and fries. Thought it would be small, but this thing is so massive. We're gonna try it out right now. It's a lot. This is wild. We're gonna try the shark jerky right now. Whoa, this thing is exotic. It's not like beef jerky for sure. This is a good snack. Now we're gonna try the smoked salmon collar to see how it is cooked. Smoked anyway. It's so delicious. I love it. This would go well with like rice with nori. This is the Dungeness crab. Heard it's popular here, so we're gonna have it. Just the meat of it. Okay. It's delicious. It's worth every bite. I know this place that has taffy, banana, apple pie. It's really delicious. I tried it last night. Bubble gum. Maybe I'll give a bag to my American tour driver because caramel swirl. That's what we're gonna ride back to LA. Coconut curry. What the heck? Hot chocolate. It's not hot. Deck open to public, and you have the view of the rock. OMG, they have boba. I'm discovering more places here. This seems to be like a local park, hidden gem back here. I was actually here yesterday and I arrived late for the farmer's market. Buy oranges!
She has the best orange juice. She has like 5 different kinds.
No, I missed it. If you're here on a Thursday or a Saturday, there's a farmer's market. Slow is known for their avocados. There's also this avocado called Bacon Avocado. I haven't tried it. I also enjoyed my sunset here last night. It was wonderful. Big piece right here. That shrimp is good. For $5, this is a big piece. I hope I was able to share what Morro Bay can offer to you. Is Morro Bay worth a visit? I highly think so because it's just so amazing here. I'm only here for a day, but there's so many things you can do. I love the seafood. The locals are super fun and friendly too. It has good history and lesson for nature. I hope you enjoy your visit in Morro Bay with me. Let me know if you have comments, suggestions, questions to ask, or stories you want to share. See you next time, and off I go.